Hey, thanks for joining us again. Aaron here with MarineMax Clearwater, here to tell you about our 2018 Sea Ray SLX 350. So this boat is loaded with all the equipment, powered with triple Mercury 300 Verados with the upgraded joystick piloting, allowing for easy dockage, built-in autopilot, auto routing, and just to help you have a safe, enjoyable day out on the water. This layout here in the 350 SLX, it's got more space than I have friends to join me with, so no shortage of seating or entertainment area. We do have the electric grill here by Kenyon Grills, and really nice about this here, standard size drip tray, real easy to use, very boater friendly. So when this Corian folds down here, you do have a small cabin underneath the helm, small area to get out of the sun, great for small kids or get out of some bad inclement weather. Here on the hard top, we did do the sunroof as well, so on those real nice days, let the sun in. Otherwise, you can close it up, get a little extra shade, and come check out the bow as well. So the SLX runs so high out of the water. Real deep seat backs, ergonomic grab handles, lots of cup holders. Helps make for the perfect day in the water. So come see us over at MarineMax Clearwater. Stop by to walk through the SLX 350 or any of our other offerings. Look forward to seeing you here.